Ever since mankind started to look up to the stars and dream, it dreamed of finding fellow life. Following in this unified ambition, we, the DSDI, present this proposal for the Foundation Society's upcoming mission to Europa. Our design requires the initial construction of a surface habitat capable of sustaining life. Alongside this, a fusion reactor will be installed, keeping the extreme heat away from the delicate subsurface ocean. From here, the technicians can construct the lift shaft down to the subsurface ocean using a blue laser to carve through the ice crust, which could be between 10 and 100 kilometers thick. The lift cable will be made out of carbon nanotubes, formed into a rope.
The water released in this procedure can be studied to further understand the formation of this mysterious moon. The shaft will be reinforced with a titanium, copper and gold alloy tube extruded from the top to provide structure and prevent reactions with the highly acidic ice. The shaft can be used to lower the prefabricated structural segments from the gondola down to the bottom of the ice crust, where they will self-assemble into the frame of the habitation.
All submerged structures will have an outer coating of Incomel over the titanium and carbon nanotube substructure. This highly durable and extremely unreactive material, with incredible compressive strength, will ensure that no contamination of the ocean will occur from the structure. The buoyant force of the water on the structure means a strong seal can be easily formed between segments and will keep the structure firmly rooted to the ice ceiling.
The gondola will house the 24 technicians under the ice, protecting them from the large amounts of radiation on the surface. There is room for recreation, living, and research all combined into the two-story geodesic dome. The water from the settlement will be obtained from the surface ice and purified by boiling, using the excess heat from the fusion reactor on the surface. The 24 scientists will be fed by crop of plants grown on site.
In aquaponic systems, water does not need to be replaced or discharged. To get the largest variety of food, we will use a hybrid system combining media and raft-based aquaponics. Gives the ability to grow both large fruiting plants and fast-growing plants. This combination of the two systems gives a low-maintenance, highly productive and flexible food program. Meanwhile, the oxygen for the settlement will be obtained from the carbon dioxide that humans breathe out via the plant's photosynthesis, but can be topped up by the use of electrolysis.
The submersibles will be powered by graphene-based cells and be able to pass ocean water through them in order to sense differences in chemical makeup. The open port at the front and the vent hole will then be able to close to transport samples back to the settlement for analysis. These will be controlled by internal AI for efficiency, with supplemental control via light pulses through the water. In the gondola, they dock in special chambers that will not be accessed by humans to prevent contamination. While we expect nothing, we hope to find alien life. We expect this to be nothing like our own, but instead to be more similar to that found in Earth's deep oceans, with slow metabolisms due to the extreme cold. Life could take the form of microorganisms, or macroscopic creatures, or even life forms which we cannot yet describe. The on-site lab will be equipped to allow the scientists to fully examine and unravel the mysteries of any life that Europa holds. We as the DSDI passionately believe in the furthering of our scientific understanding and ability to further our knowledge by the exploration of this most enigmatic of names, Europa.